Chef Alan here, and in this video I'll be sharing with you my original recipe for fermented cabbage, also known as kimchi. So here are the ingredients that we will need for this recipe. So first step is to remove any damaged leaves from the Napa cabbage. Then we're going to cut that in half and then into quarters. Then we're going to remove the stem and then we're going to cut them into inch pieces. In the next step, we'll be adding a lot of salt. Once you add your salt, deeply massage the Napa cabbage. Next, we're adding enough water just to cover. Then we'll be grabbing a weighted plate and pressing it down to the Napa cabbage to prevent anything from going airborne. For the chili peppers, we're just going to remove the seed and then add in some hot water to help rehydrate the peppers. Now for the onion, I'm just trying to be cool and just showcase my knife skills, but you can go ahead and just rough chop them however you like. In this next step for the garlic and ginger, we're just going to go ahead and peel the garlic and the ginger. You can use a spoon for the ginger or a peeler, whatever you're comfortable with. And you want to get just basically equal measurements of both garlic and ginger. You want 2 tablespoons of each. The way I measure them is just by crushing them up a little bit to get the best results. Now for the apple, we're just going to cut it in half. You can peel it beforehand too. Now here we'll be peeling our carrots and our daikon. So I'm going to share a little trick with you guys. Here I'm just evenly slicing the daikon. This one, so I'm done with that. I'm just going to adjust them to my favor. That way, when I julienne the daikon, I can just easily glide through my cutting board. Then we'll just be repeating the same step. So with the Napa cabbage, we're just going to drain the water, rinse the cabbage, and add it to the bowl of vegetables. Now for this step, we'll be taking our chili paste and mixing it into the vegetables. You just want to make sure that you thoroughly massage the vegetables and the paste all together. Now for the final step, which is the very important step. The reason why is because when you add your layers of cabbage, you want to make sure that you firmly press down and make sure that there's no air bubbles or any access of air that can enter the mason jar while the fermentation is taking place. And here's the result of the kimchi. This is what I made about a couple weeks ago, and it's still good. It'll last you a long time if you keep it in the fridge after the fermentation process. Your kimchi should not smell bad either. If it smells like garbage or anything that stinks, then you know something's wrong. But when you open it, it should have a sour smell to it and a tangy taste. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you have any suggestions or anything that you want me to make, be sure to leave a comment and just share my video, like, and again, thank you for watching.